Hashing functions. Now, you're probably wondering, what the flip is a hashing function, and what is it used for? Well, today is your lucky day, my friends. I'm here to explain them. So, let's get to it. Firstly, hash tables are used to find an item in a sorted or unsorted list without having to compare other items in a dataset. One example of this is dictionaries in many programming languages such as Python or Java. Hash tables work in conjunction with hashing functions, which are used to calculate the position of a piece of data in the table. One example of a hashing function is adding up all the ASCII values of a string and calculating the modulus by the size of the hash table. A hash table has to be able to store all the data items, but is usually significantly larger to minimize the chance of the algorithm repeating the same values for more than one item. A good hashing function, on the other hand, has to be calculated quickly, results in few collisions, and uses little memory as possible. Collisions are when a hashing function assigns the same value to two or more pieces of data. This can be solved through many ways, one of which being open addressing, which is assigning overlapping values to the next available space. To find the piece of data again, the hash function starts at the original space and uses a linear search. This is called linear probing. Another method of handling collisions is to use two-dimensional hashing tables. This makes it possible for more than one item to be placed at the same position, which is known as chaining. You can also reduce collisions by increasing the sizing of the hash table. However, this may decrease the efficiency of it as you waste more memory. Hash tables can be used in situations where items in a large dataset need to be found. One example is linking a file name to a file path or identifying keywords in a programming language. There are three basic operations which can be performed on a hash table, one of which being add, which adds a new item to the hash table. The second one is delete, which removes an item from the hash table, and the third one is retrieve, which retrieves an item from a hash table using its hash value. Thank you guys for watching. Now if you've got any questions about hash tables, ask the real one, not me. Go away.